Let's go over a few simple things you can do to optimize your Shark IQ robot's performance while it's learning your home. Before each of your Shark IQ robot's cleaning missions, clear any small cords, small objects, or drapes from its path so it can make a complete map. Open doors to all the rooms you'll want your Shark IQ robot to clean. It may take a few runs to build a complete map, so give your robot as much access as possible when you're beginning. If there are any areas you do not want your Shark IQ robot to map, use your bot boundary strips to prevent access. When an interactive map is complete, the app will let you know and you can begin to designate and label rooms. While your robot is cleaning, do not pick it up and move it, or move the charging base. Letting it run uninterrupted will get you the most accurate map as quickly as possible. Run your robot in different lighting conditions to help it build its map faster. Just like you, your robot can't see in the dark. If you run your robot at night, make sure to turn on the lights in each room the robot will visit. During the first few weeks, your robot will empty more often than usual. Check the fill level regularly to determine how fast your dock fills. Every home is unique, and the bin will fill at different speeds in different homes. Set up a whole home cleaning schedule in the app. Schedule regular whole home cleanings to keep your home in a constant state of clean. For additional information, visit the help section of your app or sharkclean.com/support or call this number.